Planning for the future, that is the subject this evening of The Law and You right here on Eyewitness News. Back with us, attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. Good to see you guys.
Good to see you, and before we go any further, I just want to wish my daughter a happy 9th birthday. Tessa, I love you, and I hope you have a great day.
Last year, single digits. That's pretty big.
Yeah, big birthday.
She's
nine years old.
Happy birthday. All right, here's our question tonight for someone that's getting a little bit up there. Jack in Hazleton says, my mom is getting older. Right now, she is in pretty good health, but we want to plan for the future. What should we do first? And I'm sure, Ed, you would say for Jack that this is a good idea to start planning early.
It really is a great idea. And one of the first things that you want to find out is, you know, does your mom have a living will? Does she have a power of attorney? Those documents become really important. And, you know, especially now that your mom is in good health, get those things done now so that you start planning. I'll let Greg tell you a little bit more about some of the other things that you need to do, but I think that's the first step. Getting those documents, the will, living will, power of attorney, those three documents are really essential for anybody at any age, but especially as people get older.
Yeah, and they're easy to do. I mean, you sit down with a lawyer, you can have those done in a day. They can be drafted, you know, in a couple days. So I think that the issue becomes, you know, and people need to understand this is plan. If you don't plan, then you're going to have a problem. And, you know, taking that time, sitting down with a lawyer, getting things done now, because what happens is we get calls where people are concerned about their mom or dad and whether or not they have capacity to sign the documents. And at that point, it's not too late, but it becomes a lot more complicated. What that means, you have to go to court, a guardian, a medical review, a judge is involved. All these things become a lot more complicated and costly. So if you take the time and plan now, pick up the phone, call, get a consultation, life's a lot easier.
Yeah, do some very basic estate planning
Yes.
as well. It can save a lot on taxes. It can prevent, you know, the government from being able to take your mother's money when if she does have to go into a nursing home down the road. I mean, there are a number of things that you can do proactively, especially now that your mom is in good health. Now is the time to do them.
These guys will point you in the right direction. Give them a call. Check them out online. Results Matter with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli.
Thanks, guys.
Have a good night, guys.
You got it, Dave.
VAHomepage.com and the Law and You hotline are always there for you.